So to add the RSI indicator to TradingView, you want to go up here to products and press on super charts. After this, you want to navigate up here to the indicators tab and you want to simply search for RSI, or if you're fancy, the relative strength index. So you want to go down here and open up the first indicator called relative strength index. The indicator will now appear at the bottom of the chart. The RSI measures momentum, which is the speed or strength of the price. So when we see strong movements to the upside, like right here, we will see high readings on the RSI. And if we see strong and fast movements towards the downside, we will see low readings on the RSI, like right here. When the RSI indicator is above 70, we say that the price is overbought. And when the RSI is below 30, we say that the price is oversold. Sometimes oversold and overbought levels can act as reversal signals. You can, for example, see that after the RSI was oversold right here, the price reversed to the upside. However, these signals will often fail. If you take a look here, you can see that the RSI is highly overbought. But after this point, the price continued to push even higher. A better way to use the RSI indicator is to look out for RSI divergence. In very simple terms, an RSI divergence is when the price goes in one direction, but the RSI goes in the opposite direction. In this case, we can see that the price printed one high and then a higher high, while the RSI printed one high and then a lower high. This is what we call a bearish divergence and indicates a reversal to the downside. If you guys have 2 more minutes to spare, I highly recommend you guys to check out this short video about the Fibonacci Retracement indicator.